So it's a couple days later and the demo is completely finished. They took out all of the cabinets and countertops and all of the flooring in the first floor. So now we are on to the electrical work. The guys are going to route the wiring for the new kitchen and bring it up to code. And then today, my dad and the owner of Kitchen Encounters is going to go over to the house and plan out where all of the pendant lights are going to go on the island and answer any questions that the guys have. I'll insert a clip of that now.
How about that here? This.
Bingo. That's with the 12-inch overhang on the back.
And this is 24. This is okay. The 24?
That's probably the only one that's really relevant, I guess.
Yeah.
For us, yeah.
Well,
Got 2%.
the overhang, I think, yeah. What is,
No
what
overhang.
shelves or anything?
There's an open shelf cabinet on the end. So I guess in reality, you don't need one down here because
Not like-
there's no place to really put it.
Yeah,
You can always extend one, I guess.
Oh, you don't need it.
You wouldn't add another feed for that, right? You would just tap into this one and run it in.
Yeah, normally you do a junction box and come up twice.
Right. This one not showing the open shelves?
Yeah, it's not. You got a feed for the hood.
Yep.
Is it, you want it in the cabinet above and put a receptacle on it, or just direct wire? Normally they direct wire.
Yeah, it's a direct wire. Certain.
And the height, I guess, should be okay.
Is it under cabinet?
Yep. This is the other cabinet. I had to cut this up to get, it was coming out like over here.
Yeah, I saw it
Yeah.
when Tony rolled the refrigerator out. It was
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
in a weird spot.
Moved over that, moved this, got this moved over. I moved this receptacle that was here and put it in with this box over here. It was right on the line, right on the edge of where the bullnose would be.
See anything about the backsplash pile? Like,
That's just a 3x6.
As you can see, it's a little bit different in here than it was yesterday. There's holes in the ceiling, which is where the pendant lights are going to be placed. They've also done the wiring for the other lights in the kitchen and the under cabinet lights. Our electricians are also being sure that everything is brought up to code for the inspection